Welcome back to Rocket Rides Tesla. In this video, I'm going to go over how to control the charging for your Tesla from the Tesla app, as well as set charging schedules. So I'm currently under the charging section of the Tesla app. And here I could control my charge limit. Tesla recommends or says that you could charge your vehicle up to 80%. I don't drive that far during the day, so I typically only charge my Tesla to 50 to 55%. The optimal charge for the battery for it to be healthy is 50%. 80% is fine, and for daily driving, if you drive quite often, 50% is recommended. But if you do store your vehicle for a long time, 50% is the recommended amount. So my current charge is at 52%, and I have my charge limit at 55. You can just adjust that by dragging on the scale, clicking that little dot and dragging it. See, we can go up, we can go down. The lowest you can charge it to is 50%. So let's go to 55. And here I can start charging. I can schedule my charging as well. So let's do the scheduled charging. So for what I do is I typically charge my vehicle. I have it finished charging by 5 a.m. So at 5 a.m., the car, no matter where I plug it in at, no matter what the battery is when I plug it in, it will be at 55% by 5 a.m. That way I am able to take advantage of the lowest utility rates overnight, and I don't have to really think about it. So you can have multiple schedules set up for your charging. All you do is you can toggle them on and off, and you can add new ones. So say if we wanted to add a new one, I never really worry about the start charging yet. I always just do the end charging by. So I'm gonna turn this one off, and here I can adjust the time. Say I wanted a 6 a.m. one. You can select which days of the week you want it. So say if we wanted to charge every day, and this will repeat every week, so you only have to do it one time. So if I hit create, now I have this charging schedule that says that the vehicle will charge by 6 a.m. 7 days a week and repeat every week. So pretty neat on how you can schedule that. And this is kind of how I schedule and control the charging of my Tesla in the Tesla app. Now say for example, I want to go on a road trip or something, kind of just a one-off type of thing. I will set up another charge schedule, and I'll just do for one day. So say I'm leaving on a Friday and I want to leave my house at 9 a.m. I would hit save. And so on that day, the Thursday night before the trip, I would turn this one off, hit save, and then turn this one on. So now my weekly schedule is turned off, and now I'm only going to charge, it's not going to be finished charging by 9 a.m. It's not going to finish charging by 5 a.m. It's going to finish charging by 9 a.m. so that I can leave with 100%. You don't want your car to sit at 100% very long. That's why you need to schedule a departure charge. And so that's how you do that. So then I would back to my regular schedule. The car will finish charging by 5 a.m. and it's good to go every day. So I hope you found this video helpful on how to charge your Tesla from the Tesla app by going to the charging setting. You could also go to the set schedules. It's the same thing. And you can set schedules for different locations too. So this is my home. So every time I get home, the vehicle knows when I plug it in during the afternoon or at night that it needs to be finished charging by 5 a.m. and then the car is ready to go. So I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know how you schedule your charging, if you do it differently, or if you have any questions. Please leave a comment below. And if you found this video useful or helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you don't already. And until I talk to you all next time, be safe.